Hello guys, in today's video we're going to talk about how to fix Instagram notifications not showing problem. So the answer is easy. Just go to the settings and scroll down to the apps section. Next, go to the search and search on Instagram. And now as you see, go to the storage. And here you will find this clear cache option. Click on it. Now go check it if it works. If it didn't work, you can try to restart your phone, and if it didn't work again, you can try to clear data, but be careful. When you clear data, all your Instagram's data will be deleted. This includes all files, databases, settings, accounts, etc. So be careful. So that's it for today's video. I hope this is the answer you've been looking for. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.